Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video. On this occasion presenting the FTM Crops Farmer, which has been audited by Cyber Crime Shield, as you can notice in this smart contract audit report. Well, let's analyze this spooky interface and explain this project that it starts pretty soon, as you can see in this final countdown, exactly this Friday 6th of May at 2 p.m. UTC time zone. So save the date. And remember that you can find all the related links down below this video, and that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, this FTM Crops Farmer, it's pretty similar to other projects that we've analyzed a couple of videos ago, and whose links you can find here. This saga of project includes both DVUSD Crops Farmer and DVNV Crops Farmer, which work on the Binance Smart Chain, and also the USDC Crops Farmer, which works on the Avalanche network. So to invest on this project, you have to change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. Well, this project follows the same vein. Basically, it is a decentralized application, but in this case built on the Fantom Network. So first of all, it is very important that you change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the FTM1 to operate in this platform. Well, and how to invest? It will be very easy, since there is no particular token. You just need to have FTMs that you can previously buy in platforms such as Binance, for instance. And with these FTMs, you just have to prove the contract and then to hire your farmers, that is, to start earning passive reward. So the aim of the game is to hire more farmers sooner and more often than all the players. This in turn gives you more FTMs faster. These farmers work tirelessly, giving you a daily average of a 6% of your farmer's value. That is almost a 2,200, here it is, APR. And the daily percentage return depends on players' actions that are taken within the platform that impact the farmer's efficiency rate, which rises or falls as users buy farmers, rehire their earnings, and sell their crops for FTMs. Besides, you can earn an extra 7% bonus if other people use your referral code that it is generated here once that you connect your wallet. It is very important to take into account that once farmers are bought, they cannot be sold, and the investment made to hire or to rehire these farmers cannot be taken back. However, once bought, farmers will produce yield constantly. Well, if we scroll up, it is also very important to clarify these points, these benefits. To ensure sustainability of this protocol, users must compound at least 10 times, 10 mandatory times, before they can withdraw. Every compound can be done every 12 hours. That is very important. 12 hours compound timer. And if a user decides not to compound or hire more farmers using the earnings and continuously withdraw, this user will be charged an extra 80% feedback tax for these early withdrawals that will remain part of the contract. If the player makes 2 or more consecutive sales, this tax will be applied. However, to further encourage the community to rehire, that is to compound, there will be an additional 2% compound bonus, that is for each compound action, which can stack up to a 20% for 10 consecutive times, that is for 5 days. By doing so, they will ensure this long-term potential profit of every investor. Well, FTM Crops Farmer has also a very unique feature which effectively decreases the amount of farmers inflation that occurs over a long period of time. Every sell action will only add a 50% of the amount sold to the total supply. Older miner add 100% of what is sold to the total supply. This means that the contract will have a lower inflation rate, keeping the farmer's supply more scarce and more valuable than other mining platforms. Besides, the FTM Crops Farmer has several anti-dumping and anti-whale measures in place to ensure, again, the longevity of this project. And these measures include maximum deposit and anti-bot launch this Friday, as well as a cut-off and cooldown time for withdrawal. Basically, this cut-off time is the amount of time that it will take your card or your bag to be full of rewards. And once that it is full, it will stop filling until you've taken some action in the game. There are 48 hours rewards accumulation cutoff time. As for the cooldown time, here is the amount of time that one has to wait before being able to make another withdrawal. In this case is a 4 hours withdrawal cooldown. And finally, it is important to bear in mind that this type of contracts works very well with a strategy of a 6-to-1. This means that when you rehire, that is when you compound your earnings of 6 days, then you have to harvest, that is withdraw your earnings of 1 day. But remember that there is a 5% developer and marketing fee taken upon all deposits and withdrawals, so taken into account when following this strategy. Okay, and by the way, it is also important to point out that they are donating 0.1% of the TVL, that is the total value locked, to a charity initiative. So well done and thanks. And basically that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment this video, and save the date of the launch. Here is the final countdown. This will be this Friday, 6th of May at 2 p.m. UTC time zone. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.